Hello, 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 Facebook. Okay, so we're just getting online really quick today as I prep some of the units that will be picked up tomorrow. So I'm going to show you guys how I cut the lace on a wig that's ready for pickup. So if you order a wig from us, we will gladly cut that lace for you before you get here. Or if you make your purchase online, we'll cut the lace as well. So this is what the wig looks like prior to cutting the lace. And I'm going to cut this lace off right here. So as you see, our knots are pre-bleached and we have a less dense hairline. That's standard on all of our wigs here. You ready?
You have the lace cutting scissors?
Yes, that's right there. Ready? So this is what this beautiful wig looks like right here. We did the custom coloring here in store. You know we have the best custom wig colorist. So this was a custom color wig for one of our clients, and now it's ready for pickup. Here's our inside cap construction. All of our wigs are glueless and they stay nice and secure and have that adjustable band. But definitely check out the color. Are you sure we have time for this?
You sure? You're good.
Okay. So, and this is how I cut the lace. I've cut the lace on thousands of units in my 10 plus years here. And with our cap construction, how we cut the lace is we cut it right on this hairline here. The hairline has natural dips and curves in it. Let me flip it over. Actually, let me get through this corner first and then I'll flip it over to make sure you guys see exactly what I'm doing. I cut right around this hairline. I'm very careful not to cut any of the hair out. The hairline is less dense, so that allows the hairline to lay flat on your head and makes it look really natural, because a natural hairline is not really thick and really dense. It's less dense right at the hairline. So you can really see this here, I think. Let me get you guys a better angle after I get past this corner here. But shop with Magic Hair Company if you're looking for a quality wig that's going to last you. We have great customer service here. Make an appointment to shop with us here in our Culver City store, and you can ask all of the questions that you need. So if this is your first wig and you're really curious about any and everything possible, shop with us here, because we will take the time to answer your questions and make sure you know how to properly place on and off your wig. And once you leave our store, your wig is ready to be worn. There's no additional gluing or sewing that needs to be done. There's no fitting that needs to be done. It is ready to be worn right out the store. So if your hairstylist is canceled on you last minute, or if you don't have a hairstylist, or if you have a hot date, or if you need to go to work or be Zoom ready, come shop with us here and pick up a wig from Magic Hair Company. We will custom color it for you. We'll make sure you know how to properly take it on and off. Maintenance is available. And ask us if you need any product recommendations as well. Again, get into this color. If you like this color and want us to duplicate it for you, just screenshot it. So as you guys see here, I'm almost done. See how natural this hairline looks? Not really sure how that's coming off on camera, but trust me when I say it looks natural. And come on in our Culver City store and see for yourself just how natural the wigs look, feel, and smell. The only smell you will get from our wigs is conditioner. And then I just kind of look and see if there's anything I need to touch up here. And there's not. So this is the final look of this beautiful wig here. And thank you guys for watching. Shop with us online or in store. Get into this color.